Okay, another video. Hello guys again. Ooh, is this calendars? Oh look, it's mini Bibles. Someone dropped some. Ooh, some umbrellas, some candles. What's this? Nice. Everyone, this is the most pretty place. Is this a ref? Ooh, so cute. Oh look, it's many figures. A carousel. Hello, Jesus. Hi, Mama Mary. Another Mama Mary. Another one. It's the same people. Jesus. Another Mama Mary. Look, it's the angels. Mama Mary, why are you at the back? Hello. Are you okay? Look, there's a lot. Who's this shepherd, by the way? I forgot. Ooh, it looks like Mama Mary. Oh my god. I know this. Oh, I know this. This is like the ano. Ito yung parang nasa TV eh. Ito si Luz, I think. Alam ko to yung sa sticker sa TV. Oh, look. This is so nice. Oh look, it's Jesus again. Oh look, it's Mama Mary's. I don't know what box is this, guys, but I don't know. Oh look, the Manila Cathedral. Oh look, it's this is a bell. Yes. Okay, let me come. Wow, let me take a picture real quick. Oh look, nice. Oh hello again. Wow, I like these things. Ooh. Wow. Hello. Wow. They have nice, beautiful artworks. Aww. Oh, look. Looks like comics. Some bracelets. Cute. Cups. And the candles. What's this? Is it cross? They're so cute. 200. Wow. Ooh, what's these? Oh, it's just the... Ooh. I forgot to say it. It's calendar. Wow. I like souvenirs. Maybe I should take this bite. Okie dokie. Is this salt? Oh, oh, this is candle. Scented candles. Wow. This is so cool. What's this? Oh, Mama Mary's necklace. Oh my god, it's so cute. Wow, it's so cute. It's bottled. June. I have to find my birthday. I meant just July, of course. Oh. Hmm. Where's the July? Oh man. Please, I need July right now. I need July. I can't find July's here. March, November, May, March again. Finally, I found my birthday thing. It's July. Yes. Okay, bye guys. See you again.